Kia ora koutou, I'm back on the beach again, doing my thing. It probably looks exactly the same as it did before. I've been working on this all day. If I went around the other side, you'd see how it's quite different, but I'm sitting on my bottom and I'm tired, so I'm not going to. But basically, this is version 3 because some pesky kids came along in the meantime and ransacked my construction for materials and built that, which I've left alone because I'm a gentleman. So I've built this today, which probably doesn't look like a lot, but because I've had to make it child-proof, I've been shifting massively huge logs and things like that just to weigh down everything. So it's more or less short of concreting things in, I've made it as child-proof as it can be, really. So I'm a bit disappointed that it's a lot lower in height. Before you could stand up quite comfortably, but I'm going to actually dig out the floor a bit, which may or may not be a good idea because it's probably can be more kind of damp, but I've got a kind of clever idea for how I might floor it at the end. So there we go, version 3, a lesson in Buddhism. I'm like Robert the Bloody Bruce with this one. They said I was daft to build a cabin on the beach, but I built it anyway. And some people ransacked it, so I built it again. You know where that's going. So yeah, I can be quite persistent when I want to be. That's just so you can see, that's the in the distance, the little lumpy bits are the Sugarloaf Islands, and to the left of that is what they call a port, which is docks basically. Big chimney and Paratutu Rock, and those the islands, all what's left of a collapsed volcano. And Paratutu Rock was a par site, a par being an important structure for Maori peoples. So as far as I can understand, some par were kind of defensive, and some were sacred. Is my understanding. I've probably got a lot more to learn about par. Some of them are just like Celtic hill forts, which really fascinates me. So yes, that's Paratutu Rock, which I tried to climb once and didn't succeed. I actually videoed that though. I've released it. Me trying not to lose it when I'm climbing down because I'm dyspraxic. So climbing up and down things is not a good idea. Particularly climbing down is always hardest. So yeah, let's give you a little scan round because it's a nice evening. Let's show you the Lady Moon up there. Give you a full. Can't do 360 because I can't stretch that far, but I can give you as much as I can. So so I've got a fire down there. That's nice. Highly illegal though. The fire service will actually come out and extinguish the fires if you have them, which I guess, you know, I kind of thought that was a bit over the top, but I guess after what happened in Australia, I can kind of understand that. Reflections in the water look nice there, don't they? You see the lights from far away, just catching on the shoreline. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed that, just for the sheer sake of the scenery and the sunset, really, if nothing else. If you're not interested in my childish building projects. So yeah, hopefully that will be left alone, but God knows, I said that last time, didn't I? I'll keep you posted. Rangimarie.